Hi there guys, so in this video we will see how you can create a real estate website on WordPress in just a few minutes, alright? So the first thing we'll need is a plugin called Starter Templates. Click on Add New and then let's get Starter Templates plugin. Click Install and Activate. Once activated, you'll see the C library link, or go to the appearance and then Starter Templates. Hit on build your website now. Now it will ask you to select between these three builders. What we're gonna use as a block editor which is the default WordPress editor. Alright, so hit that. Now in this business menu, select real estate. So you can see here all these templates. These are some are free and some are premium, so either you can get a subscription to use the premium templates, but we're gonna be using a free template for this demo. So let's select this one, and then as you can see here, it asks for a logo if you want to replace this one. So it's definitely optional, and we can skip and continue. The second step will ask us to either change the colors or change the fonts, which all of these can be done later on. So let's just change the colors for this demo and hit continue. So this last step will be to toggle between a few options. So we're just gonna untick share non-sensitive data, and then you can completely ignore this feedback form, and if you want to do it, it's completely fine. It's not required. So hit submit and build my website. Alright, it has cloned the whole thing. Now if you were to click on view your website, you'll see that everything is ready here. Now we can change everything from the logo to the very content of each page. Let's go back to our dashboard, and we'll see here that all the pages are imported, and each of them pages can be added now. Click on add it, and then you'll see the homepage content, as you can see, and we can now update anything and everything. So let's go to our homepage. Okay, as you can see here, find your dream home today. Now we can say here, so you can see the hook button doesn't look right. We can maybe change the style to something else. Let's say and change it to a more rounder shape, and then add a color to it. Let's do a darker color, right? That, and hit update, and then change find your dream place today. So this is just an example. You can change anything here. It's a simple drag and drop editor, builder block editor. So hit update, and if you were to refresh it, we'll see everything being reflected as we want it. Right, now if you want to change the logo, hit on customize here, or you can go to this dashboard and then go to customize. And when you're in the customizer, you can simply click on this edit icon, add the logo, it will appear, and you can go to the logo and change the logo in the logo you have. So that's about it. You can do so much more with this. Hope you're having a ton of fun as I had. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.